Hey, what's going on? It's Jericho back in a new video, and today I want to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2018 Volkswagen Polo. So first of all, you want to go over to the passenger side, which in a British vehicle is on the left hand side. You want to open the glove box. First you need to empty it. Unfortunately the filter is behind the glove box, so you will need to empty it beforehand. There are two clips here which I'm going to show you. One here located on the left, as you can see. Another located on the right. And you'll need to push them up in order to disengage them. So I'll just put the camera down. These two clips, push them up. So first one, up. You might want to put a little bit of pressure on the glove box, otherwise it will re-engage the clips. And then take the right clip, push it up until the glove box falls. So you can just let that fall down. It is on a hinge at the bottom. And when we look inside, that is the box for the cabin air filter. There are these two clips at the top, which I'm highlighting now, that you need to disengage in order to remove the cover. So what I recommend is that you sit on the sill of the vehicle, so it's easier to access. Push it down until you hear a click, a little bit stiff, and then another one on the left. Press until you hear a click, and then the face of this box will simply fall towards you. It is on hinges at the bottom. So yep, it will come off. Just put that to the side. And there you can see your cabin air filter. So just pull it out towards you. This vehicle's only done 10,000 miles, so it's pretty clean. But at this point you would dispose of the dirty one. And as you can see here, the text is readable from left to right and is in that specific orientation. When you reinsert your filter, you need to make sure you can read the text in the same manner. And there is actually a little arrow on the right, which shows you the direction of the airflow. So air flows down through the filter. I will be reusing this filter, so just pretend that, you've disposed of your old one, you've got your clean new one, you've got the orientation correct. There is a little bit of plastic trim on the side here which does block it, so you will need to come in at a slight angle like so. So go in with the right first and then push with the left. And then just push the new filter in. Should take little to no effort. Make sure it's flush. And the faceplate, you need to make sure you can read the text. So if you can read the text, it's facing the right way. These two clips are at the top. And there are three little hinges here, which are marked with blue paint on this specific vehicle. And three hinges at the bottom, so you need to click it down into the hinges first and then engage the clips. And again, the plastic trim on the side is in the way, so you will need to lead with the right side first. Engage the hinges first. And just simply push at the top to re-engage the two clips. So the one on the left can be a bit stiff, and the one on the right. There you go, it's pretty simple. So you've replaced your cabin air filter. All you need to do now is put the glove box back. So in this vehicle there's like a lead screw, or like a hinge, and a plastic follower, which helps guide the glove box and it dampens it. So you need to make sure that these two are engaged when it's going back in. Align it and feed the follower through. And then once it's in, as you can see here, all you need to do is push the glove box past the clips until it clicks. There you go, close the glove box, make sure it's flush. So the glove box is now reinstalled and you have successfully changed your cabin air filter. Thanks for watching.